Well, I came back to the stream, and it's actually still flowing. And this has been a couple of days since I've been out here. And this time I thought miracle. And I didn't even think it'd be hardly any water left in it. That just shows how much rain we've had, y'all. Okay, I'm going over. Yeah, I've got you, Mimi. Always hold on to him tight back here. Usually he likes to stop and watch the water. Let's see where Miracle wants to go to today. Where do you want to go, Miracle? Where do you want to go, baby? Come on. Yeah, he's going to look at the stream. I'm caught in the briar, y'all. There we go. There he's looking at the stream. Hey, baby. Hey, dear. Oh, deer tracks. And a little bitty deer, too, right there. It's a little deer. Okay, let's go back over, Miracles. Come on. Let's not go that way. Let's not go that way. Come on, this way. Let's cross the stream. Will you jump it, Miracle? Will you jump it, or you want to go over the culvert? I'm going to jump it. Come on. He won't jump it. Miracle, you don't want to jump the stream? Come on, let's go. That's a no. You don't want to cross it? Okay. We won't. We won't, baby. Hey, we'll go back over the culvert, okay? There's a big field back here. I don't think they use it for anything but hay. We can't go back there, though. It's not ours, Miracle. Come on, let's go. Let's go over the culvert. Come on, we're going to drive. No, we're not going that way. There's a fence there. There's a fence. Mommy can't go over that. Let's go back over the culvert. There we go. There we go. Good boy. He's so smart. Okay, let's go back up the hill. Can't tell on camera if this is up a hill. Come on, Mimi. Okay. Mimi Bussy. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Hey, Miracle. Hey. Yeah. Having a good time, aren't you? See, it's not as cold as you thought it was. No. I'm sorry. I was just getting the leash untangled. Hey, Mimi. Miracles. Hey, Claire. Hey. Let's go home. Let's go home. Home, baby, home. Come on, let's go. Okay. Old fence post. Not any sun today, but it's still warmer and much nicer out here. Anyway, Miracle's having a good time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Me and Miracle really do appreciate it. We hope y'all have a beautiful day.